Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you're subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I'm going to do another little card trick for you now. I'll do a little bit of a shuffle here, just a little shuffle. I'll quickly show you there. You can see there that they're all random cards, yeah? All random cards there, yeah? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pick out a card which is going to be my prediction, yeah? So let's see, how can I do this? Don't like that one, don't like that one. Yes, I'm looking for a really nice, lovely looking card. There it is, that's my card there, right up there. So I'll leave that one there. Right. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to deal cards down. To be honest, if you was here, you could be doing this dealing for me because I've got a bit fed up with dealing today. At some point we would stop dealing the cards. In fact, let's just make it like just get them a bit quicker there, innit? That'll do, innit? And let's do a few more over there. Let's do a few over there and a few over there. That'll do, innit? Just to make it to get rid of them over there. So we've now got two sets of cards there. There we now square them up a little bit there. Now the next part is you could actually shout out, but you can't shout out. You could shout out a number, and I've got some cards here. There's numbers on these cards. No particular reason. There's numbers there. So what I'll do is I'll shuffle them up again. Little course say shuffle, more like cutting the cards really. Next time I start doing the cards to shuffle with, but I'll again show you there. I will just pick out a card, which will be the number which we'll use to take off that. So I'll just say that one there. I've got no idea what that is, but obviously I'm going to look at it now to see how many cards to take off each deck. Two cards, that's all we're taking off. So let's just say we take off that one and that one. There's two off there, and we'll take off two off there. 1 and 2. So we'll lose those cards because we don't need those. So what I think I'm now going to do is just to make it a little bit more fun, is I'm now going to shuffle up the cards a little bit more, and that'll do. That'll do. That was rubbish. And let's just try and shuffle up these cards a little bit more here, see if we can do anything better on this one. Oh, that's a slightly better one. There's not many cards to shuffle, it's probably one really rubbish at that shuffling really. Anyway, what that has now done is generated two cards, that one and that one there. Right, so I'm going to turn over the cards there. I'll hold up the cards for you. That's the cards that you have now got there, right? So that is the card that you have picked out, and that matches my prediction because there's the 4, there's the spade, and that is my prediction all along, the 4 of spades, and that, my friends, is magic.